support and communication. Who will be my main point of contact? You will have an account manager. Currently, I am talking to everyone. I maintain consistent communication with every person. You'd be talking directly with me. It's not like I'm going to get on a sales call with you, close a deal, and then pass you off to an onboarding person. I'm onboarding with you. I'm meeting with you weekly, and then I'm meeting with you in monthly meetings. We have a meeting space where we're looking at your goals that you've given me during your onboarding. My goal ultimately is to help you reach the goals that you set. How many contracts do you want to do? What do you want your gross profit to be over the course of a year? We're going to pay attention to that, and we're going to come back to those goals and hit on it. And I'm going to tell you what I think you might need to do to reach those goals. Some people come in and they say, hey, I want to make 150 grand a year profit. Okay, cool. Like one cold caller, we're going to get that done. And if we're not getting that done, I'm going to make it happen by putting extra time and effort and maybe even an extra collar on your account. I don't want you to slip through the cracks. So we're paying attention. As long as you're holding up your end of the bargain, like we're going for it. If someone comes in and they say, I want to make 500 grand profit over the course of the year. Okay, well, that's likely not going to happen with one caller. We probably need to add a second caller and then a third caller. And so what we want to do there is make a plan for 3 months down the road. If we've hit these amount of deals, if we've closed 3 deals and you've got this much profit in the door, time to add a second cold caller. And then if we get that next profit in the door, time to add a third cold caller. And then we can ramp you up. I'll be your main point of contact is the point. I'm wanting to work with entrepreneurs who are looking to scale, and I'll be there right there with you.